loose pieces, and that's what they're gonna look like, at least for now. Got 3 done. This is the 4th one. So first what I'll do is do some sanding. Okay, then I'm gonna take some glue. Then it's just simple putting them together, or at least what is simple. Just clamping, when you're gluing, you don't really need to put much pressure on it. Just make sure that it's solid. Then I take my square. I know that this is exactly 90 degrees, so that should be good. And I see that that's not entirely true, so that's better. Just a tiny little bit. Doesn't look like much yet, but I'll let this dry for half an hour or an hour or so, and then put the bottom on top. So I got my box glued, then some sanding. Okay, then we put it on. With the drawer glued together, the bottom, sides, now I need to do some sanding. Okay. That looks better. Now I'm gonna make 2 sliders for the top drawer. So got the bottom of the top drawer. These sliders at the bottom, and that will make sure that this drawer will glide smoothly. I need some more wood to be planed, so let's do that first. I want to use this as a front for the drawers, so that it all looks reasonably nice, even though it's a very cheap and simple construction of the drawer itself. This is slightly more than 3/8 of an inch. This is mainly for decoration, so the thinner, the lighter, the better. Hi Joey. Come on. Aim. Yep. Yeah, so. Yeah? Is it okay? Hey, is it okay? Yeah. Inspection time? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Now I have to size one of these boxes, so that's next. Then I still need to glue up a few of these panels, so let's do that. I got these two dividers in here between the bottom 3 drawers, so I have to put these in. So I put in the drawers first. Then the divider. Then to indicate where to put glue, this way I know where to put some glue on the sides. To avoid getting glue on my drawers, I'll put some painter's tape along the top edge. Then put it back again. And divider. Then I want to put in a few of these tiny little nails. And these nails are mostly for when the glue is drying. Now we take this out and the divider, and we start thinking about gluing. So I'll put some glue on the inner walls below the line that I put there. Okay. Let's see. Put this back. Okay. And that's necessary for those drawers to really slide well. I'm installing the back panel now. But first some cleaning. And then we have to wait again till it's dry. To be continued. So that is dried. And now some sand. I'll be gluing, mostly gluing, the legs on each side. So I'll start with one. Glue this together, let it dry, and then do the one on the other side. Okay, now I've got the first leg glued on, and now it's time to put the other one on. Okay, with both legs attached, I'm going to start working on the drawer fronts. What I do is slightly raise them from the bottom at a height of probably about 1/16 or so of an inch, and then cut them off here. Then the sides. Okay, now we begin with the drawer. But I don't want to put it all the way in, so that's okay. Now I want to fit it as precise as possible and clamp it. Yep. Take the drawer out. Then I drill 2 holes. That looks reasonable. Now the next again. Now the second drawer. Put my 2 paper separators between the drawer fronts. Then measure where it has to be cut. Okay, the width was already done, so now the height in sync. The same process, just keeping them together. I'll take this off. Okay, that's the second one. Now that's the third one. Cover. Okay, that's my last one. So I have to make a few adjustments, but It looks fairly good. This would allow me to store at least some basic tools, like my sander. Now I have to continue with the top, but that's the next thing. Okay, I know where to drill the hole. I want to put something under it. Let's see what I can do. Okay, that looks good. A little bit of sanding, and that should do it. Okay. Temporary stand. Now lots of sanding, and more sanding, and then still applying some finishing coat on it as well. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.